Hormone replacement pellets. What you need to know. Hormone replacement pellets can be an effective treatment for hormone imbalances, no doubt. Learn about the benefits and the process right here. Find out if this treatment is right for you. Hey folks, I'm Dr. Jeff Williams with Creekstone Integrated Medical right here in Amarillo, Texas. And I've got to tell you, our medical provider here has been seeing outstanding results with our hormone replacement patients. The system is strong and it's effective and proven. In case you're new to the idea, hormone replacement therapy, or HRT, has been a popular topic of discussion for a while now, with men and women both using this form of treatment to help ease the symptoms of hormones that have become either deficient or simply unbalanced. However, there is a new and effective form of HRT that's gaining popularity. It's called hormone replacement pellets, also biot, or as we use, evexipel, which we'll talk about. The hormone replacement pellets, also known as bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, they're small little pellets. They're made of natural plant-derived hormones that are specifically designed to replace the hormones that the body is no longer producing. They are only about the size of a grain of rice. Unlike traditional HRT methods, such as pills or creams, patches, hormone replacement pellets provide a sustained release of hormones over a period of 3 to 6 months, meaning you only need to get them inserted every now and then rather than having to do something like gels, patches, and injections every single week. So how do you know if you're a candidate for hormone replacement? Well, finding out whether or not you're a candidate for HRT or if you'd benefit at all from it, it's really easy. All you need is a simple blood test, and this blood test is a hormone panel and can quickly determine if HRT is a game changer for you or if it's not. That way you don't waste time and money and energy. You're either low or not, so it's black and white and super simple to find out. Benefits of hormone replacement therapy. All right, well, one of the main benefits of hormone replacement pellets is that they provide a more natural and balanced form of hormone replacement, which means that the risk of side effects is greatly reduced and the body is able to absorb and use hormones much more effectively. Another benefit of hormone replacement pellets is that they provide a more consistent and stable release of hormones. Traditional HRT methods like pills, patches, or creams often result in fluctuating hormone levels. That can lead to inconsistent symptom relief. With hormone replacement pellets, you can expect a sustained release of hormones, resulting in more consistent, even symptom relief and a better overall quality of life as a result. This stuff really is advanced and it is a game changer, folks. Hormone replacement pellets are also incredibly convenient, as they only need to be inserted every 3 months for females and only twice a year for males. That means you can enjoy the benefits of HRT without having to remember to take a pill every day or apply a cream every few hours or take an injection once a week. With hormone replacement pellets, you can simply go about your daily routine without having to worry about remembering to do something all the time, right? Without having to remember to take your hormones. And not only that, but testosterone gels, they're messy. They're dangerous for children. If kids come into contact with them, well, they may start to notice unnatural hormone changes themselves in their own body. Now, here's some of the symptoms of hormone deficiency. Hormone replacement pellets can also help to alleviate a wide range of symptoms, including being tired all of the time, headaches, lack of libido, brain fog, hot flashes, night sweats, dryness, and mood swings. That's for starters. For women who are experiencing symptoms of menopause, hormone replacement pellets can be a lifesaver, helping to restore balance to the body and improve the overall quality of life. For men with low testosterone, it's basically a must. Now, why evexipel pellets like we use rather than biot? Well, here at Creekstone Integrated Medical, we use evexipel pellets rather than biot. And the key reasons we feel evexipel is the better choice for your hormone replacement pellets in Amarillo are as follows. Number one, Evexipel pellets contain a trace amount of steroid coating on each little grain of rice, you could call it. Practitioners and patients report seeing a reduction in scar tissue, better absorption, and a reduction in post-procedure discomfort. In fact, patients commonly tell us they never experience any discomfort at all. The insertion technique also that evexipel providers use is atraumatic. That's number 2, meaning that the pellets typically never extrude and there's less scar tissue. And then number 3, the pellets are pressed horizontally instead of vertically, and that creates a more even absorption pattern for the patient versus biot. So hormone replacement pellets offer a natural, convenient, and effective form of HRT that's quickly gaining popularity among both men and women looking for a way to alleviate the symptoms of hormone deficiency as we get a little older. Now, if you think you might need hormone replacement therapy, well, why don't you give us a call at 806-355-3000. A simple blood test is going to let you know whether you're a good candidate or not. Now, if you're watching us on social media or YouTube, please share, subscribe, like, and comment. We'd love to hear from you. Again, I'm Dr. Jeff Williams. Until next week's video, stay smart, take care of yourself, and we'll see you right here again next week.